I'm putting some columns up in my house, and I'm using these cake separating pillars which look like this, and I'm going to just be painting them black to make them look a little bit like black marble. So to do that I'm using Mars Black, and all I'm doing is taking my paintbrush and just going to put some random lines going across, just like that, at 45-degree angles. As you can see, I'm not painting very well. I'm just dabbing the paint on. And then I'm taking my spray bottle, which is just a little sprayer, and just spraying it slightly. And now I'm taking my hand that's got a glove on it, and I'm just tapping it to spread the paint like that. So I'm taking quite a lot of the paint off that I put on to give me the nice white underneath. So that's what the columns look like. And I'm doing 4 of them. My columns are dry now and I'm extremely happy how they've turned out. So I've done some that are light. So these are the light coloured ones, which look absolutely beautiful. And then I've done some that are slightly darker, like that. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.